So I have made a very big decision in my life, probably the one I've ever made since I was born. So I'm transitioning from being a full stack developer to being an AI powered engineer. Now hold on, it's not what you probably thinking. It's not because AI is not the order of the day. Actually, part of it is because of it. But then get the drip. It's not because of it. The thing is, I love how AI is being used to automate products and how it makes our work life easier and obviously faster. So this video and this YouTube channel marks the beginning of this journey and I would love to take you along with me. If you are somebody like that, let's get into the video. So I made a documentation here and I wrote everything to the case because I don't want to start talking from my head. Here is my backstory and how I became a full stack developer and how I'm planning on being a full stack engineer. In 2024, I love building in 2024, I bought and I used course because I want to be a full stack developer. While taking the course, I was feeling overwhelmed and I was like, okay, while taking the course, I was done with the course and I was trying to make some products, build some projects and ship it out there so I could, of course, get notice, gain the visibility and, of course, land my first clients. But then it wasn't so because I discovered that my first project that I made was a social media video downloader and I did it with YouTube API, Facebook API, and of course TikTok API. So when I made these projects, I tried using it to apply for a job and I was like, this is not enough. You get, it's just a little project. And if there was one code why I tried to apply for a job on Upwork, yeah, I remember I did that. I tried to apply for a job on Upwork, and there was this project that I saw where this client there was some what the client I've forgotten what the client said, but then I downloaded the project and I tried to go through the code base. But guess what? I was lost, like totally lost. I didn't even know where the project started from, and I didn't know where the project was going to. Like I was overwhelmed, and I was like, probably this is not for me. How do I get my foot out there? And I was like, you know what? I probably gave up. Yeah, I gave up obviously, but then I was like, giving up is not an option. Rather, I should find another way to make things better. Then this idea of AI came into my mind. I was like, okay, how about I transition from being a full stack developer to being an AI engineer? And in order to do that, I need to start documenting my journey, knowing what works and what doesn't works, of course. So if you are like me, we can continue. Now, these are the things I plan on doing in this channel. First of all, I plan on learning and building in public because, excuse me, because learning obviously is overwhelming. Learning without practical is something else. So while I'm learning, I'm building in public. So I'll make a balance the skill. Obviously, I'll try my best to balance the skill. And my very first project is a code image generator, an AI powered code image generator. Now, why is this so? I remember after taking my course and after taking Andrea use course, then I remember trying to send some code DMs and I struggled a lot writing a lot of messages on and I didn't even get a response. Obviously, I didn't even get a response. Or probably I would say I never did that to the very best. Because I saw some places sending about 20k messages you get, but I would say I never did that to my very best because I really literally struggled with writing code DMs. So I was like, how about I try to automate this very thing? I just write a message like, okay, to give me a prompt, give me a message to send to this person, a code message, a code DM to send to so person. And I get a response and within at most 6 lines, very brief and well detailed. So that was what gave me this idea. And I plan on documenting this very journey of this and building this project here on this channel. So if you would like to follow along with me, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, with that being said, let's continue. And what is in it for you and who is this channel for? Yeah, obviously this channel are for developers trying to transition from full stack developers to AI engineer. You get that they are for developers trying to transition from being a full stack developer to being an AI powered engineer. You will see my journey, see how I tried my best to break through everything by special grace of God and all whatnot. Then this channel is also for self-taught learners like myself also. You've already seen my backstory. I bought a course online and I started taking it at home, self-taught um developers. And this channel is also for people tired of just watching tutorials and want to get their hands dirty. When I mean dirty, not that kind of dirty. No, I mean I want to start building projects, real world projects that they could see, that could land them their first gig. So this channel is for people like that. And the last person that this channel is for people that would love to see me go from being an absolute beginner to be a builder. From being an absolute beginner to be a builder. So if you fall in either of these category and would love to follow along with me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video.